fucking shit. They're taking down my whole thing. Gotta go.
I need these mats. There's better uses for this.
Oh my god. Somebody clip that and post that.
Nobody!
Get a
Come here, little angel.
one of those guys right in front of you.
Yeah, think about that next time, bitch. Really good at building, man. Taking lessons from Myth, dude. Still might kill one more time, see what happens. See what happens! You're all trash, kids. You're all sitting in your mom's basement with your fiber internet connection. You don't even know what's up. What?
Bioluminosity went through.
I just want to buy your Oh, is that up?
Oh, nice shot. Nice.
That was my golden rule, bro. You just said it when you think you got it, dude.
I'm so confused right now. Oh my. What's happening? Whoa!
Vanishing. Oh my god, what a wall! What a wall! Did you see the wall I just placed? Did you see the wall I just placed? Get him out of here. Get his ass.
You already know. You know everything.
No. Okay.
Look, and then we can, if you don't want that, that one. Bro, 300 brick for a bolt? That's not bad. Yo, the one in yonder yard, they wanted 300 metal for a silent submachine gun. Like, what? Brick the whole time? Wait a minute. Who the hell's gonna pay 300 metal for a suppressed submachine gun? What?
Get him in you already breathing. I'm out of here. Come out here. Come out here. Bill. Get it.
C'est bon. Oh, j'ai loupé ça, mais impossible. Hop, hop, hop. Oh, c'est ce qui fout les balles. Oh, je suis Néo. Je suis Néo dans Matrix, gros.
Ouais, je vois ça,
Je suis Néo.
Oh my god!
What?
Oh shit! No. Oh! What? What? I was so far. Hold on, bro. Time out, bro. I was so far out of the gas, bro. I was so far out of the gas. I want to try this shit real quick. What? This game doo-doo. Yo. What? What do you mean?
Let me do this strat that like Myth Loki went to totally work on him.
Don't do it. Don't do it. What the fuck is going?
Post on me. I'm going up, brother. I'll see you later.
What? Sorry.
I'm gonna surprise this guy.
Surprise, motherfucker! Jackie Chan right now, bro. Oh shit. Yo, hey, relax, buddy, relax. What the fuck? What is going on? What just happened? Is it a glitch?
All right, make it quick.
I got 8 minis.
Okay, first of all, what are your thoughts on this particular outfit that you're wearing right now? Do you feel like they added some additional shadows? Why is it this particular model, who we like to call Jessica Rabbit? What have you named her?
I like Lola Bunny.
Okay. So like, I mean, she obviously got some nice cakes, obviously.
Yeah.
Like really nice.
Oh yeah, she's.
You think it's because it's the white outfit, or you think they added a couple extra plumps in there?
I think they added I think they know what people want to see. Nah, I bet.
100%, man. 100%. I can stand that there all day. You know what I'm saying, man?
Oh, I wanted to use his ramp. It would be so much more poetic. I am the fire starter! I am the beginning and the end of Fortnite! I am the meteor! Bro, this guy does this. This is the second time he's done this. Was that you?
No, that was not me.
I knocked him. Just go.
I'm just coming out of second.
Just in the game. Well, how did it fall?
I have no idea.